Hey everybody, Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and in this tutorial, we're gonna teach you Get Ugly. Now it's a 32 count, 2-wall dance, and it has a tag and a restart, so we've got a lot to go over. Don't forget though, make sure you subscribe down below and click that notification bell. That way you know when all of our new tutorials come out. Otherwise, let's get to the steps. All right, guys, let's get started. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what my boots are doing. So our first 8 counts, kind of fun. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna swing right and left. So you're gonna go 1, 2, then you're gonna shuffle step 3 and 4. Okay, so let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, sway 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now from here, you're gonna do a sailor step with a turn. So you bring your left foot back for 5 steps and forward 6. Then you're going to sweep that right leg for 7, pop 8. So that sweep, we want to sweep it around. We don't want to place any weight on it. We want to sweep it, pop. All right, so let's do that again slowly. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, sailor 5 and 6, sweep 7, pop 8. All right, so let's do that a little bit faster with counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. All right, your first 8 counts are done. So now let's move on to the second 8 counts. Now this is where we're gonna do some pony steps. So we just did our sweep for 7, pop 8. Then you're gonna pony steps. You're gonna take your right foot back for 1 and 2, then take your left foot back for 3 and 4. From here, you're going to prep with your right foot, bring it back for 5. Then as you recover on 6, you're going to spin 7, 8 for 6, 7, 8. And you're forward on that left foot. Okay? So let's do that again to count. You sweep 7, 8. You're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, prep 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you're forward on that left foot. Okay, now you know the first 16 counts. So let's put that all together and see what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna do this twice, first slow, then fast, but repeat it as many times as you need. Okay, starting 5, 6, 7, hip sway, 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, sailor 5 and 6, sweep 7, pop 8, pony 1 and 2, 3 and 4, prep 5, recover 6, spin 7, 8. Okay, let's do a little bit more to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, sweep 7, pop 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay guys, now for your third set of 8 counts. We're gonna first start with what's called a mambo step, or what I like is the dirty dancing step. You know the one with Patrick Swayze. This is my space, this is your space. It's the exact same step. So we just finished our spin, we're forward on our left foot. So you're gonna rock forward, recover, back. So you're gonna rock right, 1 and 2, then you're gonna step back for 3, and this is where it's gonna be a little different. You're gonna cross and do your quarter turn to change your wall. So let's do that again. You're gonna rock forward for 1 and 2, back 3 and cross. Therefore you're prepped forward. Now from here, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna teach this both directions so you can see them. You're gonna step out, toe tap for 5 and 6 and 7, and you're gonna press off that and do a full 360 turn for 8, 7, 8, and then you're gonna stop on 1. Make sure you haven't had too many spicy lemonades before you do this turn, okay? So again, you're spinning a full count on 8, but you're not stopping until 1, so it's not as fast as you think, okay? I'm gonna do that facing this way so you can see what my boots are doing. So we just finished that turn. You're gonna mambo, rock, 1 and 2, back, 3, cross, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, spin 8 and 1. All right, you know the first 24 counts. So let's do that twice through. I'm gonna face both directions when we do it because it's a 2-wall dance. So you're gonna need to learn it both directions. Anyways, all right, so let's keep going. Here we go. First time through. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 and 6, sweep, 7, pop, 8, 1 and 2, pony 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8, mambo 1 and 2, 3 and cross, out and out and out, spin 1. Okay? All right, let's do that facing the other direction. Again, so you can see both sides of it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, sway. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 and 6, sweep, 7, pop, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, 7, mambo, 1 and 2, 3, cross 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1. All right, guys, we are now into our final 8 counts and kind of the funnest 8 counts. So we just finished our first step, our 1, right? We spun around. I'm gonna teach you face this way. We spun around and hit 1. You're gonna hold on 2. Then you're gonna body roll 3, 4, 3, 4. Body roll, you bring your chest forward, 3, 4. Basically what you wanna do is get back onto your back foot, your left foot. So you hit on 1, hold 2, roll 3, 4. Then from here, you're gonna walk forward, right, left. Then you're gonna spin for 7, 8. Okay, so let's put that together. I know that was a lot. I'm gonna back up just a little bit. All right, so we just did our spin and we stopped on 1, hold 2, roll 3, 4, walk 5, 6, turn 7, 8. And I end up on my left foot. So I'm gonna do that facing the camera. One more time again, we just finished our 1. You body roll, hold 2, body roll 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're gonna be able to move for 1, 2. All right, so let's do it to count again. Facing this way, just make sure we got it because I like to go over things multiple times. So you finish 5, 6, 7, spin 8, 1, hold 2, roll 3, 4, walk 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Then you're 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, guys, now you know all 32 counts of the dance. So let's walk through it a couple times. Again, we'll do this facing both directions, okay? So here we go. Rocking sway. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, sweep, 7, pop, 8, pony 1 and 2, pony 3 and 4, rock, recover, 7, 8, mambo 1 and 2, 3, cross 4, 5 and 6 and 7, spin 8 and 1, hold 2, body roll 3, 4, walk 5, 6, spin 7, 8. Then you're gonna get back into it, okay? Again, face the camera this time, go a little faster to count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn 7, mambo step, 1 and 2, 3 and cross, 5 and 6 and 7, spin 8 and 1, 2, roll 3, 4, walk 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one of the things that makes this an intermediate dance, not just all the wall changes, but also that it does have a few things in it. The first thing I want to cover is what's called a restart. Restart's pretty simple. Again, we just restart count. And it's gonna come on your 4th wall. So the second time you face the back wall, you're gonna do the first 8 counts twice. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. And you'll hear it in the music because it goes from just music into the second verse. But the way it looks is this. So you can do the first 8 counts for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now remember, it's a 2-wall dance, so if we're gonna restart, we gotta restart facing the same wall. So 8, now you're gonna roll back in, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice how I turned. So those first sets of 8 counts will look like this all the way through on that restart, again, on your 4th wall. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, pony 1 and 2, and then you continue on with the dance. Okay, the second part of this is a tag. It is an extra phrase in the music that we need to add more counts. We got to do something a little different. Now, this is going to come off the 10th wall. I don't expect you to actually remember all that, but you will hear it in the music, and it is right before the music speeds up. Did I forget to mention that the song actually speeds up? Anyways, once you hear the song, you'll totally understand. But you'll actually be facing the front wall when this happens, okay? And it comes after the first 10 counts. So first 8 counts, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, sweep, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, and it's first 16 counts, sorry. You're gonna rock 4 for 1, 1 recover, 2, then you're gonna do 2 sweep steps, 3, 4. So again, it comes off that spin. We're gonna do it one more time, just so you can see it full. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, breathe, 1, 2, sweep, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whew. You made it through all the steps, so now there's only one thing left to do. We got to get ugly and stomp it out. So if you're ready, click on the video right here to my right, and it will take you to the Stomp It Out video where you can dance with me. All right, guys, we'll see you there. Thanks.